Michael Brandt here with GarageBound LLC in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Today we are featuring Blue Demon Welding Products BD-3000. This is a great solution for broken bolts, broken tabs, if you break an extractor off inside of a bolt that you've been trying to extract, and is a perfect choice for joining dissimilar ferrous alloys such as steels, nickels, stainless steel, tool steels. This is going to get the job done to do that. The cool thing while extracting bolts is that the special ferrite balance chemistry turns the flux into a ceramic type of barrier between the fragile threads and the weld puddle, and this is going to ensure that none of the threads are damaged during that extraction process. A common problem in the automotive industry are broken bolts and ring gears. We've simulated this, but it's an actual thing that happens. We have two broken bolts. One's a little deeper than the other, so you'll be able to see as we build that material back out and weld our washer and our nut onto it. One of the first things you need to do is clean the area you're going to weld with the wire brush. Try to get all the contaminants and oil away from the area you're going to weld. Then we're going to get ready to weld. We're going to clean this off, chip the slag away. You can see we have a perfect amount of flux guarding the threads. We have a perfect amount of material built up on top. We'll clean it with our wire brush. Then we'll weld our washer on it. We'll let that cool for just a second until we're able to chip it. Next, we'll weld our nut on. Next step in this process is to let this cool to room temperature, and then we'll extract the broken bolt. This electrode can be welded in all positions in either AC or DC. You're going to get a smooth, porosity-free, with no undercut and no splatter. This product's available in 1/16 inch, 5/64, 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16. For all your welding needs and solutions, visit www.bluedemonwelding.com.